Hello everyone, in this video I will explain view in SQL from multiple tables. In my last video I have explained you how to create view in SQL from single table. We all know that in SQL a view is a virtual table based on the result set of an SQL statement. A view contains rows and columns just like a main table. This is a syntax to create view. Create view, view name as select statement. So here we can write any type of select statement. If we want to execute a select statement from single table, that can be done. If we want to execute select statement from multiple tables, that also can be done. So in my last video I have explained you how to create view from single table and how can we perform various operations, DML operations in base table as well as in view table. So here in this video I will explain the statement list the name of instructors who teach some courses. So with the practical implementation I will show you how to create view from multiple tables. So already I have instructor table and I am using university database. In university database I have instructor table and I have teachers table. So what is my query? My query is list the name of instructor who teach some courses. So we have to display name of the instructor who are teaching some courses. So to execute this query, we require two tables, instructor and teachers. And with the help of these two tables, we will create view. Create view 4 as select name comma course ID from instructor comma teaches where condition. Now here we have to mention the condition instructor dot id is equal to teachers.id. So whenever we retrieve record from two tables, what is the condition? Both tables should have common attribute. So here id is a common attribute in instructor as well as in teachers table. So here if I execute this statement, select star from V4. So let me correct the spelling of select. Yes. So guys, here you can see name of the instructor who are teaching some courses, that record are displayed. Okay, so I will show you how to execute email operations on view as well as base table. Here our base table is instructor and teachers. So if we execute some of the queries, some of the statements, insert, update, delete, we will see whether the base tables are changed or not. So if I insert record in V4, name comma course id, so values name, if we write DAB and course CS2, then it will fire an error. It won't allow to enter the record in a virtual table V4. Okay, so this is one of the restrictions. Cannot modify more than one base table, because you can see the view when we create from single table. Whatever changes we do in the view, the same changes are there in the base table. Whatever operations we perform on base table, the same changes are there in view. But if we create view from multiple tables, there are some restrictions and this is one of them. Second, if I update V4, set name is equal to DAS where name is equal to D. So I am changing, I am updating this record. So this is row query OK1 row affected. Before that, before executing the instructor table, we will see whether this record is changed or not in the view. So guys, here you can see D is changed by has been updated by DAS. So now we will check whether whether this information is changed in instructor table also. Yes, it is. So here D is replaced by DAS. Initially it was D. You can see here initially it was D. If I have instructor table, so I had the table here. Okay, instructor, I was having that record D, but if I update record in view, the changes are reflected in instructor table also. Okay, so here you can see D is replaced by DAS. Now we will execute delete operation. Delete from V4 where name is equal to DAS. So again, this statement will not be executed on V4. So these are the restrictions, like insert and delete operations cannot be executed on view and cannot be reflected in base tables also, but update, if we perform update operation in view, it is reflected in the base table. Whereas when we change instructor table, like if I will show you update instructor set name is equal to, I will change STU to DAB or CAD where name is equal to, or we can give the condition ID is equal to 117, right? So one row is affected. If I execute select star from instructor, we can see select star from instructor. So here you can see 117 is changed. It was STU, now this is CAD. And if we execute select star from view 4, then you will see the changes. But the thing is that we don't have that record. So how many record we have? PQR. So we will change PQR here, name CAD where ID is equal to 112. Okay, now it is changed in instructor PQR with CAD. Now we will change in V4 also. We will see the changes. So here you can see PQR is changed by CAD, right? So update operation is performed on base table as well as in view table also. So guys, here I have explained you the view from single table and view from multiple tables. There are some changes, there are some restrictions on view when we create from multiple tables. Hope you all you must have understood this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.